Hey, what's up, y'all? Mike here with the watch list video for Wednesday, January 31st. Pretty narrow range. Look at that candle for today, which is not uncommon going into an FOMC decision, right? That's tomorrow at 2 o'clock. So this blue line here is where the market opened right there. Straight sideways all day. Total chop. Still had some amazing posts in the chat today. Let me slide this over first. Pause the video and read that. Short version, we're day traders, right? DWAC was Lewis today. Gave the 35.50 break, which it put that half number inflection point early high in the opening 5-minute candle. Broke 35.50 and it was off to the races. Went up $4 from there. On about 80 cents risk, but that's the way DWAC has been trading. That makes sense. I did not expect a phone call in the middle of that. Let me slide this over. Matt D, NEXI, interesting back through $22 risk, right? Because that thing was crazy, trading like crazy. And there's the 20 break. Whole number inflection point, earlier high of day above, and it absolutely just ripped. Great post by Matt. Went up almost $9, $8.69 from there. Amazing, right? Matt also mentioned the 5s buy zone, which is between the 8 and the 20 on 5s, right? I got filled at 65 cents even, and this was a screenshot. It actually went way higher than that. Let's go to 5-minute candles. Man, went all the way to what? $1.49. Amazing call there. So more than a double. By the way, this thing in after hours, let me show you this. We talked about before the market closed, hey, they might be doing an offering. I still didn't see the headline, but I'm assuming because of this, they announced an offering, right? It's all the way down to 72. So hopefully we saved people. Basically my sentiment was take your profits, right? And do not hold into the after hours. So, you always want to be aware of that. But amazing trade today in that one. And so we talk about stocks that are in play. Let me go into the, one more, PXLW. Let me just show that real quick too. Ugly daily, right? But Matt D gave the $1.73 break, which happened right there. The early high, and absolutely ripped from there. That was also an amazing post by Matt D. He's a valuable asset to the room, which is why we gave him mic access. And every now and then, Matt pops on. Matt, if you're watching this, you should pop on more, right? All right, anyway, let's talk about what we're watching for tomorrow. KURA, big rip today, but closing well off its highs. May give another trade tomorrow. GM, General Motors, gapped up, closing below its open, but certainly worth keeping an eye on. PXLW. You know what? I put that on the watch list before it fell apart, so I'm taking that one off. Scratch that one. DWAC, any stock that does what this one did from here to here, and now it's chopping sideways, we're definitely going to watch that one. RUM, pretty much moves with DWAC, so we're going to watch that one. MARK, I can pull that one off the list too, now that we see what it's doing in after hours. PEPG. Big pop today and topped right around the whole number 12. Oh, topped at the whole number 12. So super interesting tomorrow, right? ONMD was on watch, gapped way down, and then absolutely ripped today, but closed well off its highs. I'm a day trader, so I'm going to put that on watch. CRBP. Interesting anyway, right? Without the after hours stuff, but interesting anyway. Had the big rip, red day, and then a nice pop today. So you have a couple inside candles in a row. But when you go to after hours, you can see it's all the way up here at, it actually broke 29 in after hours. So let's go back to the daily. I mean, it's trading all the way up here, right? So definitely going to be a gap play tomorrow if it's still gapping. ZIM, actually one of my favorites because yesterday topped out at 1504, today 1490. I love this over the whole number 15. Knowing that we have another catalyst above at 1537. So keep a Close eye on that one. FATE. Big rip yesterday. Quiet inside day today. Looking for a third day play. SLDP. Kind of the same thing. Looking for a third day play. CDLX. Nice pop yesterday, but closed way off its highs and then ripped today. Let's keep our eyes on that one. And then lastly, never mind. That's all I've got. As always, we will look at the gappers in the pre-market and add those to the list. So let's work together in the pre-market and do that tomorrow. That's it for me. I'm done babbling. We'll see you in chat.